Alright, so for problem number 5, same thing. We're multiplying by a positive 1, right? We're distributing that through the parentheses. Same thing over here. So it really doesn't change anything. We just need to write stuff down. So this is 4n plus 2n squared plus 5n plus 3n squared. Write it in descending order and combine like terms. So I'm going to combine this with this. So 2n squared plus 3n squared is just 5n squared. I realize that my 5 does not look like a 5. It really kind of looks like an S. Deal with it. No, here, we'll do it a little better. And then the next thing is we have a positive 4n and a positive 5n. In other words, you add those up and we get 9n. Is that what you guys got? Yes. What's what? Oh, that's a great question. So let's leave that in the video. So the question is, hey, Mr. Adams, what if I wrote it like this? Is that okay? It's the same answer, but you should write it in descending order. So in general, when we write this stuff down, we want to do n to the 5th power plus or minus something n to the 4th power plus or minus n to the 3rd power, and so on and so forth. This is called descending order. And that is the preference. Now, I didn't say it had to be written in descending order. Man, my E's look like O's. But that is the practice. So I would say write it this way. Okay? Because a lot of times, like on the SAT, it'll say descending order. Put your answer in descending order. Now, if that's descending order, what do you think ascending order looks like? Well, ascending order is the opposite. So you start with the lowest power. So it would be like n to the 0 plus or minus n to the 1st plus or minus n squared dot dot dot. Okay? So it should always be in some sort of order. So technically, this would be in ascending order. So I want you to know that too, because it might say write it in ascending order. And that just means the power increases. Ow, hit my elbow. That's a great question. But technically, mathematically, they're both the same answer. But on the SAT, they'll more than likely will say